Maserati has made a huge splash with its new MC20 super sports car, and it's not hard to see why. Let's dive into some of the innovative features that are changing the game for high-performance cars. One of the standout features of the MC20 is its brand new engine, the Nettuno twin-turbo 3.0-liter 5.6. This engine was developed entirely in-house by Maserati, without any input from its longtime benefactor and engine supplier Ferrari. According to Autovision, the Nettuno engine delivers an impressive 621 horsepower and 538 pounds-ft of torque, propelling the MC20 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds. But the MC20 isn't just about raw power. The car's design has also been carefully crafted to optimize performance. For example, the MC20 features butterfly doors that not only look impressive, but also improve the car's aerodynamics by allowing its ground effects tunnels to increase front downforce while keeping the upper body clear of drag-inducing aero. According to an article, this design feature is just one example of how Maserati has gone above and beyond to optimize the MC20's performance. The MC20 also offers a refined and stylish interior, complete with high-end materials and cutting-edge technology. And with a starting price of $217,000, it's clear that Maserati is targeting a discerning and affluent market. Overall, the Maserati MC20 is an impressive feat of engineering that is sure to turn heads and push the boundaries of what's possible in a high-performance sports car. As AutoWeek puts it in, the MC20 is the first in a promised new era of Maserati supercars. And it's clear that Maserati is setting the bar high for what's to come. Beyond its impressive performance and design, the Maserati MC20 also showcases advanced technology that sets it apart from other supercars on the market. For example, the car features a 10-inch digital gauge cluster that displays a range of information from vehicle speed to navigation in a sleek and intuitive way. Another notable feature of the MC20 is its active aerodynamics system, which adjusts the car's aerodynamic profile in real time to optimize performance based on driving conditions. As car and driver notes, this system allows the MC20 to achieve impressive cornering speeds and stability, even at high speeds. In terms of pricing, the MC20 is priced competitively within its class. According to Forbes, the base price of the car is $210,000, which is comparable to other high-performance sports cars like the Porsche 911 GT2 RS and the Lamborghini Huracan Evo. All in all, the Maserati MC20 is an impressive achievement that showcases the best of Italian engineering and design. With its powerful engine, advanced technology, and stunning design, it's clear that the MC20 is a game-changer in the world of high-performance sports cars. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply appreciate the finer things in life, the MC20 is definitely worth checking out. After learning about the impressive features and performance of the Maserati MC20, you may be wondering about the company's future plans for high-performance sports cars. Fortunately, Maserati has already hinted at what's to come in its upcoming models. One of the most exciting developments from Maserati is the announcement of a new all-electric sports car set to debut in 2024. According to a report by CarScoops, the car will be built on a new platform that is specifically designed for electric powertrains, and it will offer a range of over 200 miles on a single charge. In addition to its electric sports car, Maserati has also hinted at plans for a new mid-engined supercar that will be positioned above the MC20 in terms of performance and price. According to a report by CarsGuide, this new supercar will feature a hybrid powertrain that combines electric motors with a gasoline engine, delivering even more power and performance than the MC20. Of course, Maserati isn't the only company pushing the boundaries of high-performance sports cars. Competitors like Lamborghini, Porsche, and Ferrari are all working on their own innovative models, each offering their own unique take on what a supercar should be. In the end, the world of high-performance sports cars is always evolving, with new technologies, designs, and features being introduced every year. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply appreciate the artistry and engineering that goes into these machines, it's an exciting time to be a fan of high-performance sports cars. And with companies like Maserati leading the charge, there's no telling what incredible machines we'll see in the years to come. For car enthusiasts who are interested in high-performance sports cars, it's always worth staying up to date on the latest developments from companies like Lamborghini. The Huracan Sto, for example, is a track-focused version of the popular Huracan supercar that was introduced in late 2020. According to a report by Car and Driver, the Huracan Stow features a range of advanced aerodynamic features, including a large rear wing, a shark fin, and a revised front splitter. These features help to improve downforce and stability at high speeds, making the car a formidable track machine. In addition to its aerodynamic enhancements, the Huracan Stow also features weight-saving measures that make it lighter and more agile than the standard Huracan. For example, the car features a carbon fiber hood, fenders, and engine cover, as well as lightweight titanium exhaust system. As a result, the car is able to achieve a weight-to-power ratio of just 4.8 pounds per horsepower. Of course, the Huracan Stow is just one example of the latest developments in high-performance sports cars. Other companies like Porsche, Ferrari, and McLaren are also introducing new models that offer impressive performance and advanced technology. For example, Porsche recently introduced the 911 GT3, a high-performance version of its iconic sports car that features a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter engine and advanced aerodynamics. Similarly, Ferrari unveiled the 296 GTB, a mid-engined hybrid sports car that boasts a combined output of 819 horsepower. All in all, there's never been a better time to be a fan of high-performance sports cars. With so many innovative and exciting models on the market, there's something for everyone, whether you're looking for raw power, advanced technology, or precision handling. So buckle up and get ready for an exhilarating ride. Porsche has a long-standing reputation for producing high-performance sports cars, and the latest models in its lineup continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in terms of power, handling, and precision. One of the most exciting recent additions to the Porsche lineup is the 911 GT3, a track-focused version of the iconic 911 sports car. According to a report by Car and Driver, the 911 GT3 features a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter engine that delivers 502 horsepower and 346 pounds-ft of torque. This powerful engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, and the car is able to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. But the 911 GT3 is more than just a powerful engine. The car also features advanced aerodynamics and suspension tuning that help to improve handling and precision on the track. For example, the car features a large rear wing that provides downforce at high speeds, as well as revised suspension that improves cornering grip and stability. Porsche's upcoming 911 GT2 RS is set to take things even further. According to a report by Motor One, the car is expected to feature a twin-turbocharged 3.8-liter engine that delivers over 700 horsepower and 553 pounds-ft of torque. This powerful engine is expected to be paired with a rear-wheel drive system and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. In addition to its impressive powertrain, the 911 GT2 RS is also expected to feature advanced aerodynamics and weight-saving measures that make it even more track-focused than the 911 GT3. For example, the car is expected to feature a large rear wing, a revised front splitter, and lightweight carbon fiber body panels. Overall, Porsche continues to be a leader in the world of high-performance sports cars, with models like the 911 GT3 and the upcoming 911 GT2 RS offering an impressive combination of power, handling, and precision. Whether you're a driving enthusiast or simply appreciate the engineering and craftsmanship that goes into these machines, there's no denying the appeal of these iconic sports cars. And of course, Ferrari remains one of the most iconic names in the world of high-performance sports cars. The company recently unveiled the 296 GTB, a mid-engined hybrid sports car that boasts a combined output of 819 horsepower. Overall, the world of high-performance sports cars is constantly evolving, with new models and technologies being introduced every year. Whether you're a fan of Maserati, Lamborghini, Porsche, Ferrari, or any other high-performance car brand, there's plenty to be excited about in the years to come. So buckle up and get ready for an exhilarating ride.